Measurement. Measuring distances. How do we measure distance? We choose the unit depending on what we want to measure. We measure really small things in millimeter and centimeter. We measure large distances in meters and kilometers. How do we convert between millimeter and centimeter? 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. When we convert centimeters to millimeters, we have to multiply by 10. When we convert millimeters to centimeters, we have to divide by 10. Change to millimeters. 3 centimeters is equal to 30 millimeters. 6 centimeters is equal to 60 millimeters. 12 centimeters is equal to 120 millimeters. 26 centimeters is equal to 260 millimeters. 378 centimeters is equal to 3780 millimeters. Complete the table. Centimeters, millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 3 centimeters is equal to 30 millimeters. 12 centimeters is equal to 120 millimeters. 40 centimeters is equal to 400 millimeters. 145 centimeters is equal to 1450 millimeters. Change to centimeters. 30 mm is equal to 3 cm. 60 mm is equal to 6 cm. 120 mm is equal to 12 cm. 2560 mm is equal to 256 cm. 3780 mm is equal to 378 cm. Complete the table. Centimeters, millimeters. 40 mm is equal to 4 centimeters. 150 mm is equal to 15 centimeters. 800 mm is equal to 80 centimeters. 1200 mm is equal to 120 centimeters. 1340 millimeters is equal to 134 centimeters. Convert to centimeters and millimeters. 324 millimeters is equal to 32 centimeters and 4 millimeters. 501 millimeters is equal to 50 centimeters and 1 millimeter. 7092 millimeters is equal to 709 centimeters and 2 millimeters. 8300 millimeters is equal to 830 centimeters and 0 millimeters. Convert to centimeters and millimeters. 489 millimeters is equal to 48 centimeters and 9 millimeters. 567 millimeters is equal to 56 centimeters and 7 millimeters. 1036 millimeters is equal to 103 centimeters and 6 millimeters. 2056 millimeters is equal to 205 centimeters and 6 millimeters. 739 millimeters is equal to 73 centimeters and 9 millimeters. Convert to millimeters. 4 centimeters and 3 millimeters is equal to 43 millimeters. 3 centimeters and 2 millimeters is equal to 32 millimeters. 18 centimeters and 1 millimeter is equal to 181 millimeters. 23 centimeters and 3 millimeters is equal to 233 millimeters. Convert to centimeters and millimeters. 210 millimeters is equal to 21 centimeters and 0 millimeters. 501 mm is equal to 50 cm and 1 mm. 3429 mm is equal to 342 cm and 9 mm. 4800 mm is equal to 480 cm and 0 mm. How do we convert between centimeter and meter? 100 cm is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. When we convert meters to centimeters, we have to multiply by 100. When we convert centimeters to meters, we have to divide by 100. Change to centimeters. 4 meters is equal to 400 centimeters. 8m is equal to 800 cm. 15m is equal to 1500 cm. 45m is equal to 4500 cm. 156m is equal to 15,600 cm. Change to meters. 300 cm is equal to 3m. 600 cm is equal to 6m. 1200 cm is equal to 12m. 25,600 cm is equal to 256m. 37,800 cm is equal to 378m. Complete the table. 4,000 centimeters is equal to 40 meters. 1,500 cm is equal to 15m. 8,000 cm is equal to 80m. 12,000 cm is equal to 120m. 13,400 cm is equal to 134m. Convert to meters and centimeters. 324 cm is equal to 3 meters and 24 centimeters. 501 cm is equal to 5m and 1 cm. 7,092 cm is equal to 70m and 92 cm. 8,300 cm is equal to 83m and 0 cm. Convert to meters and centimeters. 489 cm is equal to 4m and 89 cm. 567 cm is equal to 5m and 67 cm. 1036 cm is equal to 10m and 36 cm. 2056 cm is equal to 20m and 56 cm. 739 cm is equal to 7m and 39 cm. Convert to centimeters. 4 meters and 3 centimeters is equal to 403 centimeters. 3m and 2 cm is equal to 302 cm. 18m and 11 cm is equal to 1811 cm. 23m and 43 cm is equal to 2343 cm. Look at the numbers and fill in the boxes. 17 cm and 88 mm is equal to 170 plus 88 mm, which is equal to 258 mm. 8m and 13 cm is equal to 800 plus 13 cm, which is equal to 813 cm. 16m and 28 cm is equal to 1600 plus 28 cm, which is equal to 1628 cm. Did you understand basic units of measurement? Yes? Good! How do we convert between kilometer and meter? 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. When we convert km to m, we have to multiply by 1000. When we convert m to km, we have to divide by 1000. Change to meters. 4 km is equal to 4000 m. 8 km is equal to 8000 m. 15 km is equal to 15,000 m. 45 km is equal to 45,000 m. 156 km is equal to 1,56,000 m. Complete the table. 3 kilometers is 3,000 meters. 14 km is equal to 14,000 m. 27 km is equal to 27,000 m. 48 km is equal to 48,000 m. 203 km is equal to 2,03,000 m. Change to kilometers. 3,000 meters is equal to 3 kilometers. 6,000 m is equal to 6 km. 12,000 m is equal to 12 km. 2,56,000 m is equal to 256 km. 3,78,000 m is equal to 378 km. Complete the table. 16,000 meters is equal to 16 kilometers. 38,000 m is equal to 38 km. 1,08,000 m is equal to 108 km. 1,20,000 m is equal to 120 km. 10,34,000 m is equal to 1,034 km. Convert to meters and kilometers. 3,240 m is equal to 3 km and 240 m. 5,010 m is equal to 5 km and 10 m. 70,920 m is equal to 70 km and 920 m. 83,000 m is equal to 83 km and 0 m. 1,386 meters is equal to 1 kilometer and 386 meters. 8,932 m is equal to 8 km and 932 m. 12,930 m is equal to 12 km and 930 m. 50,925 m is equal to 50 km and 925 m. 3,897 m is equal to 3 km and 897 m. Convert to meters. 4 kilometers and 3 meters is equal to 4,003 meters. 3 km and 20 meters is equal to 3,020 meters. 18 km and 100 m is equal to 18,100 m. 23 km and 300 m is equal to 23,300 m. Look at the numbers and fill in the boxes. 4 km and 4 m is equal to 4,000 plus 4 m, which is equal to 4,004 m. 6 km and 2 m is equal to 6,000 plus 2 m, which is equal to 6,002 m. 12 km and 17 m is equal to 12,000 plus 17 m, which is equal to 12,017 m. 18 km and 44 m is equal to 18,000 plus 44 m, which is equal to 18,044 m. Did you understand basic units of measurement? Yes? Good!
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.